How's it going today, everybody? Welcome back to Troy's Hobbies. Today we're out here at the Colorado Mills Mall at RC Basement for round one of the Colorado Monster Truck Challenge. We've got a nice little crowd on hand, a new public venue, so let's take a look at the track. Okay, so we're going to take a look at the track here really quick. It's going to be a simple Houston style, out and back, J-hook style track. So we'll have a yellow lane and a blue lane. They'll race down the straightaway here over the first set of cars, down the straightaway through in 180-degree turn, pass down over their respective ramps, and then across here for the finish line. We're going to have a finish line camera set up here and a full track camera set up over here. There's our starting light. So everything should be running really smoothly. We're going to be getting to racing here in just a few minutes.
All right, guys.
Drive off the sides over here, guys. Make sure you guys can see the lights.
All right. Cameras ready. Cameras on. All right. Drivers ready. Watch the lights. Down into the track. Oh, bounty hunter. Drivers ready. All right, watch the lights at the end of the track. Oh, very wide up the start. That was just a distraction. Drivers ready.
Yeah.
Watch the lights. Oh, into the wall. Cody brings it home to TRX6.
I'm so stoked at TRX6.
Ready? All right, drivers ready. Good. Watch that into the track. All right, come on. High speed right here. Gotta watch out. Looks like the 69 Camaro is gonna bring it home.
Yeah, 69 Camaro. Oh, double rollover at the line.
Alright, we have both the drivers to the line. Is our light guy ready? Is our cameras ready? Drivers ready? Watch the light, get ready. And they're off. Getting that corner, Troy sticking it. Bounty Hunter doing it with style. Troy taking it to the next round.
Classic Burst Stampede versus the Mr. Destruction. Alright, cameras ready. Alright, lights ready. Drivers ready. Watch for green. Oh, Mr. Destruction pulls it out for the solid axle, guys.
Cameras ready, both corners. Drivers ready. Watch the light. Get ready. Alright, here we go. We got the TRX and the Bigfoot. Oh, I think the Bigfoot's gonna get it.
Alright, drivers ready. Watch the lights. Alright, good quick start to Hobber. A little wide to turn. And he gets her with the 20th anniversary grave digger. Drivers ready. Drivers ready. Watch the lights. Oh, Mr. Destruction! Cameras are ready. Yes, sir. Okay, cool. All right, drivers ready. All right, watch the lights. All right, ready to the hole. Good turn. bottom of the line, you didn't get across, man. So far away. You did very well, sir. Good job. Final round of bracket 1 of open class. This is the final round. Winner will come up here and choose a prize. So, we have Habbo driving Mr. Destruction versus Mike Arnold, also driving Habbo's Gravedigger. So, cameras ready. Cameras are ready. Drivers ready. Watch the lights. Alright, we're going to big horse take the Gravedigger. And Mr. Destruction's going to bring it home for round 1 of open class. Okay, good job, Habbo. Stay around, we're going to get an interview with you real quick.
All right, Habbo, congratulations on open class round 1 victory.
Yeah.
Is there anything you want to say? Give a shout out to everybody.
Shout out to Cluster Truck Racing. This is a test and tune day for this thing, and obviously it's working pretty okay with there's zip ties holding it together. We don't even have sway bars on it, but it's low and sticky, and took us all the way to the final round.
Yeah. Good job, Habbo.
All right, thanks guys. We'll see you in the next round.
Awesome.